Syifa Andria, and my student number is 2513042056. This video is intended to fulfill the mid-test assignment for the phonetics and phonology course taught by Dr. Feni Manifatullah M. Hung and Miss Nabil Hasri Ainun, SPD MPD. Today, we'll explore how speech organs help us produce speech sounds, including the lips, teeth, tongue, and the alveolar ridge. They are the different parts of the human body involved in the production of speech sounds. Let's begin with the lips. First is the lips. The function of the lips is they form sounds by pressing together or by creating space. And the location of the lips is at the front of the mouth. Now, let's look at the types of sounds that use the lips. First, bilabial sounds. These are consonants produced using both lips. For example, p, b. These are called bilabial oral sounds. M. This is a bilabial nasal sound, where the air flows through the nose. Second, labial dental sounds. These are made using the lower lip at the upper front teeth. Next, the teeth. Teeth help articulate certain consonants by interacting with the tongue. The location of the teeth in the upper and lower jaw. Let's look at the sounds made using the teeth. First, dental sounds. These are consonants produced with the tongue placed between the upper and lower teeth. T as in think and T as in depth. Second, labial dental sounds. These are made with the upper teeth making contact with the lips. Next, the tongue. The function of the tongue is shape speech sounds by moving to different parts of the mouth. Location of the tongue inside the mouth, positioned near the teeth, the roof of the mouth, and by the soft palate. There are several parts of the tongue involved in speech. First, back of the tongue, used in sounds like k, g, and r. Second, front of the tongue, used in sounds like t, d, and s. Third, blade, the area just behind the tip. Fourth, tip, the very front part of the tongue. Each part of the tongue helps produce different types of sounds in spoken language. Last, the alveolar ridge. The alveolar ridge serves as a contact or near contact point for the tongue during sound production. Location of the alveolar ridge is just behind the upper front teeth, also known as the upper central incisors, at the roof of the mouth, inside the oral cavity. Let's look at the sounds that use the ridge. Alveolar sounds. These are consonants produced with the tip of the tongue pointing toward or slightly touching the alveolar ridge. T, d, s, z, n, l. And that's it. We have covered how the lips, teeth, tongue, and the alveolar ridge each help us form specific speech sounds. Understanding how these parts work gives us a clearer picture of how speech is physically produced. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.